Once a guardian against the unknown, this vehicle answered calls no one else would.
This engine hadn't run for years, but its story wasn't over yet.
The place stayed the same, but the car did not.
Once a guardian against the unknown, this vehicle answered calls no one else would. Now,
years of silence have left their mark. Every stain tells a story of battles once fought. Tools once built to face the unknown now sleep under layers of time. Even legends grow tired when left standing for too long. Inside, the controls of courage remain untouched.
the first touch breaks years of silence.
Layer by layer, the past is washed away.
Every scar demands patience. Tools of protection prepare to serve once more.
The foundation is set. The resurrection has begun.
At its core, the heart still waits to beat again.
To heal the heart, it must first be exposed.
Each component carries the weight of its past service. Time and patience restore what neglect has taken. Time and patience restore what neglect has taken. Piece by piece, strength returns.
The heart finds its place once more. Energy begins to flow again. The call to action prepares to sound again.
A faint glow breaks the darkness.
After years of silence, the machine breathes again.
Before renewal, every flaw must be acknowledged.
Strength returns through patience.
The past fades with every careful stroke.
Preparation defines the result. A fresh foundation is laid. Identity returns in familiar tones.
Time seals the transformation. Symbols of duty return to their place.
Function and form reunite.
The shape of a legend stands renewed.
To restore the soul, the inside must be reborn.
The shape of a legend stands renewed. Silence prepares the space for purpose. Every control tells a story.
Energy flows again through new veins.
With the inside complete, attention turns to the heart.
Time leaves its marks on every machine.
The heart is removed for renewal.
Every piece must be understood before rebirth.
Years of neglect wash away.
Precision restores lost strength.
The heart returns to its place.
Silence holds its breath.
After years of silence, it breathes again.
The machine is ready to serve again.
The machine is ready to serve again.
The weight of years is lifted away.
Fresh strength supports the mission ahead. Control is earned through reliable stopping power.
Precision restores confidence.
Movement begins at the edge.
Fresh grip meets the road once more.
It stands on its own again.
Balance prepares it for the journey. Motion confirms the revival. Every signal must speak clearly.
Every surface reflects dedication. Identity is restored with care.
Light welcomes it back.
The road listens as it moves again.
Numbers confirm the revival.
Now moves with purpose. The journey proves its readiness.
The journey proves its readiness.
Silence confirms perfection.
Built to endure once more.
The work is done. Some machines never retire. Not rebuilt, reborn.
Legends never fade.
Restored, remembered, ready.